Alright, okay, let's look at all the metrics here. We talk about addition, subtraction, and scalar multiplication of a matrix. So for example, which of the above matrix can be added, right? Can be added. Definitely, I will say that A and B have the same order, right? The order of this matrix is 3 row, 3 column, 3 row, 3 column, and these two matrices can be added because they have the same order, right? And also the same also, C and D can be added because of the same order, because this is 2 row 3 column, and this is also 2 row 3 column, right? But this one cannot be added to any of these, right? I cannot say matrix C plus with matrix E. This is not defined, alright? Does not exist, okay? Not defined. Why? Because C, the order is 2 by 3, right? 2 by 3 matrix. And the order of this matrix is 2 times 2, right? 2 by 2, 2 row, 2 column, right? So the order is different, right? The order is different. So different, the order is different. So different order, or we said, so C plus E does not exist, right? Does not exist. So we can add up these two matrices, or we can add up these two matrices because they have the same order. So this is what it means that A and B can be added, and C and D can be added together, right? But B cannot add to C, right? B cannot add with C because they have different order. So now you understand, when you want to add a matrix to another matrix, make sure that the two matrices have the same order. Means that this order, 3 by 3 and 3 by 3, then we can add these two matrices. Right, let's see how to do addition and subtraction for a matrix. Alright, okay, let's do some addition and subtraction for this matrix. Matrix A and B are same order, you can add, right? You can plus these two. So how to do addition for matrix? Okay, how to do addition for both matrix? So very simple. The corresponding element, -1, you have to add with 3, right? Then -1 plus 3, you have 2, right? Then 3 plus with 0, you have 3. 3 plus with 0, you have 3. 2 plus with 2, you have 4, right? So we add the corresponding element, right? -1 plus 3, 2. 3 plus 0, 3. 2 plus 2, you get 4, and so on. Okay, add 7 plus -4, you have 3, or 7 minus 4. -5 plus 3, you have -2. -4 plus 6, you have 2, right? And 6 plus with 1, you have 7. 2 plus with -5, you have -3. -1 plus 4, you have 3. So this is the product, right? After you add A to B, right? Because they have same order, then you can produce another matrix which also of the same order. Alright? The order of the matrix produced after you do addition, right? These two must have the same order, and the answer also must have the final matrix that after combine these two matrices also must have the same order with the matrix A and B. So this is how you add both matrices. Alright, so let's look at part B. Part B is a scalar, that is involving scalar multiplication before subtraction. So as you want to doing subtraction or addition, you want to do subtraction or you do addition, they must have the same order. Alright, same order. These two can be subtracted, okay, because the order for A and the order for B are the same, 3 by 3. So before you do subtraction, you need to do the scalar multiplication first. -1, 3, 2, 7, -5, -4, 6, 2, -1, -3 with 3, 0, 2, -4, 3, 6, 1, -5, 4. Alright? So from this matrix, we have to do scalar multiplication. Alright? Right, let's perform. So first I doing scalar multiplication for each of the entry. So you will have -2, 6, 4. Multiply every entry here by 2. So 7, 14, -10, -8, 12, 4, -2. Right. Before you subtract, you do the scalar multiplication first. 9, 3 times 0, 0, 3 times 2, you have 6, 3 times negative 4, negative 12, 3 times 3, you have 9, 3 times 6, 18, 3 times 1, 3, 3 times negative 5, negative 15, followed by 3 times 4, 12. Right? After you complete the scalar multiplication, then you do the subtraction. Okay, do the subtraction. So negative 2 minus 9, negative 11. Right? Negative 11. 6 minus 0, you have 6. 4 minus 6, negative 2. Right? So we do one by one. 14 minus negative, negative, positive, positive 12. So means 14 plus with 12. 14 plus with 12, you're getting 26. Right? 26. Negative 10 minus 9. Negative 10, negative 9. Negative 19. Negative 19. Negative 8, negative 18. Negative 8, subtract 18 again. So become negative 26. Right? Negative 26. And 12 minus with 3, you have 9. 9. 4 minus with negative 15, you have 19. 19. Negative 2 minus with 12, you have negative 14. So this is the addition, right? This is a matrix produced after you're doing the subtraction here. And this order of the matrix is still the same. It's a 3 by 3 matrix. And A and B also a 3 by 3 matrix. So hope you can see. Alright, let's complete question C. D plus 4C, these two can be added because also they have the same order, right? We have the same order. So D plus 4 times C. So D will be 3, negative 7, 2, 1, 5, 4, plus with 4 times matrix C. 1, 2, negative 3, 4, 1, 5. Right? Okay, let's start. First, you have to complete the scalar multiplication first. This is called the scalar multiplication. So plus 4 times 2, 8, negative 12, 16, 4, 4 times 5, 20. Okay, let's add up. 3 plus 4, you have 7. Right, you have 7. Negative 7 plus 8, you have positive 1. 2 positive negative, you have negative, means that 2 minus 12, negative 10. Later on, 1 plus 16, you have 17. 5 plus 4, you have 9. Later on, 4 plus with 20, you have 24. Right? So this will be the solution for this. Okay, very simple. Because of they have the same order, we can add up and produce another matrix which also have the same order to the respective matrix. Right, that's all for this. Hope you understand.